Tonight there's a desert between us.
We are going to make this fabulous cauliflower cheese sauce. So this is a great replacement for any time you would use a bechamel sauce such as the lasagna we're going to make today. So I'm going to put into a really good blender plenty of well steamed or boiled cauliflower. I'm going to put in some plant-based milk, some nutritional yeast, garlic powder, vegan butter, and salt. And blend. Slice the eggplant horizontally into strips about this thick. Into a nice hot pan, olive oil, and then lay the pieces in, follow with some soy sauce. Okay, so it's time to put it together, and I'm simply going to just start with a little bit of tomato sauce, followed by my sheets, and then some more sauce, some eggplant strips, and some of this beautiful cheese sauce, and repeat. Cover with tin foil, or for a slightly more sustainable option, another tray, and pop it in the oven. 'Cause baby, you're